Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of computer networks. Our first question is, a dash is a device that forwards packets between networks by processing the routing information included in the packet. Given options are A bridge, B firewall, C router, D hub. The correct answer is option C, router. Router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. Routers perform the traffic directing functions on the internet. They make use of routing protocols like RIP to find the cheapest fast path to the destination. Our next question, network congestion occurs dash. Given options are A. In case of traffic overloading, B. When a system terminates, C. When connection between two nodes terminates, D. In case of transfer failure. Your correct answer is option A. In case of traffic overloading. So what is network congestion? Network congestion occurs when traffic in the network is more than the network cloud handle. To avoid network congestion, the network management uses various open loop and closed loop congestion control techniques. Our next question, a list of protocols used by a system. One protocol per layer is called dash. Given options are A. Protocol architecture, B. Protocol stack, C. Protocol suite, D. Protocol system. Your correct answer is option B. Protocol stack. A protocol stack refers to a group of protocols that are running concurrently that are employed for the implementation of network protocol suite. Each layer in the network model has to use one specific protocol from the protocol stack. Our next question, which of the following network extends a private network across public networks? Given options are A. Local area network, B. Virtual private network, C. Enterprise private network, D. Storage area network. The correct answer is VPN, B. Virtual private network. So a virtual private network extends a private network across a public network and enables users to send and receive data across shared or public networks as if their computing devices were connected directly connected to the private network. Our next question, a network that links many different types of computers all over the world. Given options are A. Intranet, B. Internet, C. ARPANET, D. LAN. Your correct answer is option B. Internet. Internet is a network of computers that links many different types of computer networks. It is a network of networks sharing a common mechanism for addressing computers.